Welcome back. This video is about the show mode in Universe. As you know, here we have our stage, and if I click on the logo, the stage switches into the show mode where I only have my build interface. Now, one interesting thing I can do right now is take here, I have a button and a fader I don't need, and I can click here, and it's not visible anymore in the show mode, as you can see. So right now I have always the problem, I have my interface right here with what I want to control my Pandora's box, and as you can see it's really annoying because always one window is in front of the other, and yeah, there's too much space wasted. Yeah, and to solve that problem I have different options to change the show mode in Universe. When I go into Project Properties, I can change the show mode. Let's start with Overlay. Now if I go into the show mode, I have a window right here, which always is in front of the Pandora's box, and I can control the Pandora's box with easily. And it's reduced to the borders of my interface. So, but that also might be too much for me. So when I go to Project Properties and go on Background, then, as you can see, Universe is completely in the background. And right here in the taskbar, you can go back to the edit mode. So this show mode is useful if you want to, if Universe is auto starting, and yeah, you don't have to interrupt Universe or do anything with it. So just have it in the background. Another cool show mode is when you go on Project Properties and go on Kiosk. And now you go on show mode. You see the whole monitor is my interface now. And now, if you want to get out of the show mode, just press escape or whatever button you choose. And if you go on the stage properties and click on no background, kiosk mode, here we have our buttons with no background, which is pretty useful. For example, if you are having a PowerPoint presentation and you want the speaker to control the light setting easily, so he can have this right on his monitor and can easily control things. Or if you are in a show and would like to have a look at the script and see, oh yeah, I'm here or whatever, make sure that that everything's going fine. Then this mode is perfectly. So again, escape, and you're back in the edit mode. Another thing on project properties in kiosk mode is you can lock down and have a password to get back to Universe, which means that like you have someone who controls Universe but is not too sure about the program or is not too sure about that thing, and you don't want him to get out of this interface of the show mode, of the kiosk mode. And yeah, I want to keep it that way. With the lockdown, you also stop keystrokes to interrupt Universe or to get out of the show mode. Except for Control Alt Delete, which is Windows intern, and yeah, that's the locked kiosk version. And of course, if I'm now into stage properties and I click here, then I also have this mode, but not always on top. So this was the video about show mode in Universe. Thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to see you in the next videos, and I wish you a lot of fun using Universe.